In the hushed whispers of history, there lies a tale of profound transformation and wisdom that unfolded in the ancient kingdom of Magadha during the time of Lord Buddha. It is the story of a young monk named Suvira, whose journey from loquacity to serenity carries within it timeless lessons on the art of silence and the power of words. Join us on this contemplative journey as we uncover the 5 sacred moments when silence, as taught by the Buddha, became the key to unlocking peace, compassion, and profound change in Suvira's life and the lives of those around him. In the stillness under the Bodhi tree, Suvira's story echoes through the ages, guiding us to navigate the intricate tapestry of human interactions with grace and wisdom. In the ancient kingdom of Magadha, during the time of Lord Buddha, there lived a young monk named Suvira. Suvira was known for his wisdom and insight, but he was also known for his loquacious nature. He had a penchant for engaging in long conversations and debates with his fellow monks, sometimes even disrupting their meditation and peaceful contemplation. His chatter often caused irritation among the other monks, and they began to avoid him. One day, after a particularly intense debate with his fellow monks, Suvira noticed that the elder monks were displeased with him. He had an epiphany that he needed to change his ways. He decided to seek guidance from the Buddha himself, hoping to learn the art of silence and when to speak wisely. Suvira approached the Buddha, who was sitting under the shade of a Bodhi tree, and with a bow of respect he asked, "Bhagavan, I seek your guidance. I wish to learn when to be silent and when to speak, for I have caused much distress to my fellow monks with my constant chatter." The Buddha, with his serene smile, welcomed Suvira and said, "Suvira, silence is a precious gift that can bring great peace and insight. There are 5 situations in which you should always be silent. 1. Silence in the face of anger. The Buddha said, when someone is consumed by anger, their mind is clouded, and their words may be like burning coals. In such a situation, remain silent, for words spoken in anger can only fan the flames of dispute. Wait until the storm of anger subsides and then speak with a calm and compassionate heart. 2. Silence in the face of falsehood. When confronted with falsehood and deception, the Buddha continued, your silence speaks the truth. If you know the truth and speak it, you may be drawn into unnecessary conflict. Allow the truth to reveal itself in due time, for falsehood is like a house of cards that will collapse on its own. 3. Silence in the face of slander. The Buddha advised, when someone speaks ill of you, slandering your name and reputation, do not engage in a war of words. By remaining silent, you rise above the slander, and your actions and character will ultimately reveal your true nature. The truth will always prevail. 4. Silence in the face of others' suffering. In the presence of someone who is suffering, the Buddha said, silence is often more comforting than words. Your compassionate presence speaks volumes. Be there to support and listen, for the solace of your silence can be a balm to a wounded heart. 5. Silence when the mind is restless. The Buddha concluded, lastly, Suvira, when your own mind is restless and turbulent, silence is your refuge. Engage in self-reflection and inner contemplation. In silence, you can uncover the depths of your own thoughts and emotions, finding clarity and peace within. Suvira bowed deeply, profoundly moved by the Buddha's teachings. He realized the wisdom in these words and felt a deep sense of gratitude for this profound lesson. From that day forward, Suvira began to practice silence diligently in these 5 situations. As time passed, the other monks noticed a transformation in Suvira. His words became more misheread, and his presence exuded serenity. The monks, who had once avoided him, now sought his counsel and companionship. Suvira's newfound wisdom and his ability to discern when to be silent and when to speak drew people from all walks of life to seek his guidance. Suvira's journey to master the art of silence not only brought peace to his own heart, but also to those who crossed his path. His story serves as a reminder that silence can be a profound teacher, guiding us to navigate the complex tapestry of human interactions with grace and wisdom. In the shadow of the great Bodhi tree, Suvira continued his practice, always striving to be silent in the right moments, knowing that in that silence he found a deeper connection with the world and the wisdom that the Buddha had imparted to him.